Hi guys, and welcome back to Pushchair Expert. Today we're taking a closer look at the Venicci Upline 3. This is the latest evolution of the popular travel system, the Upline, and one that combines clever innovation with that sleek, refined Venicci styling we know so well. Now, if you really love the folding carrycot of the Tila, but miss the larger wheels and suspension of the Upline 2, it really feels like the best of both worlds brought together. Let's break it all down for you and help you decide if this could be the right travel system for you guys and for your family. Now let's start with those super important early months. One of the standout features of the Upline 3 is the up-to-go system, which allows the carrycot and the chassis to fold together in one smooth, cohesive motion, and honestly, it is a game changer. The fact that the carrycot folds in half on the chassis and can be collapsed all in one go makes storing it at home, fitting it in the car boot and packing it away after a walk incredibly easy. And the fact that I was able to fit my dog in the car with this pushchair all in the boot, amazing, life-changing. And when the time comes to transition into the seat unit, the carrycot folds down compactly. So you're not left wondering where to store a bulky piece of kit. You can just fit it in a cupboard and it'll fit perfectly. Now, comfort-wise, the carrycot is beautifully designed. It features an updated ergonomic anti-reflux mattress. It also has additional ventilation channels, so you have two vents at the base of the carrycot for improved airflow. It's also got a built-in sunshade fabric for added protection. The ventilation system really does stand out here, and it promotes optimal air circulation, helping regulate temperature and protect delicate newborn skin, especially important during those warmer months. It feels super cozy, secure and supportive, exactly what you want for those early naps on the go. Now, a feature that I know we all loved on the Upline 2 is the height adjusters, and Venicci have kept them on the Upline 3. They have put in the built-in height adjusters with two adjustable height levels this time, and you can raise both the carrycot and the seat unit to better suit your height. It's a quick and simple motion to select your preferred level, and it genuinely makes a difference for posture and comfort when pushing. For taller caregivers especially, this is a brilliant feature. No more hunching over when you want to go and say hello to your little ones. Now, as your little one grows, the reversible seat unit supports them all the way up to 22 kilos, making this a long-lasting investment. So that's roughly up to 4 years old. The seat unit features a height adjustable hood, headrest and harness, which adjust super easily, ideal for quick adjustments as your little one grows, and they do grow super quick. Other standout features include a soft additional insert which is removable for those warmer days, and your little one can sit directly on the ventilated seat unit. This additional insert can also be taken out and washed. The adjustable footrest, which is really easily raised and lowered with just a single button, and you have a magnetic buckle for quick fuss-free fastening, and a ventilated backrest to promote airflow on those super warm days. You also have an extendable hood for extra coverage, and it transitions beautifully from newborn to toddler mode, maintaining comfort, flexibility and safety throughout. The seat unit does lie flat, so it is suitable for a newborn as well. Now, Venicci have introduced a refreshed fabric design whilst maintaining water repellent properties. You have a UV 50+ protection. It prevents overheating and protects the fabric from sun damage, all whilst keeping that signature premium refined look. Included in the bundle, you also get a warm water repellent foot muff with a zipper opening, rain covers for both carrycot and seat unit, mosquito net, a spacious coordinating backpack, changing bag. The foot muff though is particularly amazing. The zipped opening means you can adjust your child's temperature without having to remove it entirely, and it is perfect for those unpredictable weathers that we get here in the UK. And the backpack, super stylish but functional, plenty of space for nappies, bottles, spare clothes, daily essentials. Venicci have really thought of everything with this bundle, I think, and so far is definitely feeling that way. The Upline 3 is also available as a travel system with the Venicci Tila car seat. but it does also include universal adapters, making it super versatile if you want flexibility across different car seat options. Now, having everything work seamlessly together makes those early transitions from car to chassis much smoother, especially when the baby is asleep and you just need to nip somewhere super quickly without having to wake them up. It is definitely an absolute game changer. Now, in terms of real-life performance and real-life use, the Upline 3 features a lightweight yet durable aluminium chassis. It also has all-wheel suspension and large durable wheels that aren't going to puncture, a large extendable shopping basket, and in real-world testing, I found this incredibly easy to maneuver. The pebbled paths and gravel and anything like that in our local area were no issue at all. Grass was completely effortless. Even getting up and down curbs felt super smooth and controlled, like going from pavement to grass as well. It's super easy. And this is where I think this travel system really does shine in all-terrain options. And with this, you're getting durability and performance without compromising on style. It feels sturdy and capable, but it looks sleek and elegant, which is exactly what many parents I've found are looking for. Who is this pushchair for? And that is what we always try to ask ourselves when we're doing these reviews. If you want something suitable from birth right through to toddlerhood, a strong suspension and larger wheels for mixed terrain, value, clever folding innovation and storage practicality, and you love a stylish premium aesthetic, then I'd say the Venicci Upline 3 could be a fantastic choice. It combines practicality, comfort and design in a way that feels very well thought out, especially that folding carrycot technology, which genuinely simplifies everyday life massively. Overall, I think the Upline 3 is a brilliant evolution to the range. It takes the best elements from previous models and brings them together into one cohesive, versatile travel system. It's stylish, practical, comfortable for baby, and ergonomic for parents, which is exactly what you want during those busy early years. Now, if you'd like to learn more about the Venicci Upline 3 or explore other pushchair reviews and helpful parenting articles, head over to the Pushchair Expert website where you will be able to find it all in one place. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye!